Look what's back in action. That's right. We're talking to Deoxys. Starting tonight, we're drawing all of Deoxys's other forms. We're going to start by drawing his speed form. His speed form is one of the evolutions for Deoxys. After touching a special asteroid, Deoxys, his hyper abilities become more active when exposed to the asteroid. When he selects his speed form, its body becomes faster and faster. And finished. That is how you draw Deoxys in his speed form. This guy should join the Olympics, the Olympic Games. I bet this guy knows agility and extreme speed. That's what it also means to become the fastest Pokemon. He was also seen in Destiny Deoxys. I saw it, and it was a good show. Stegosaurus, see you later.